Hello Japanese learners! 漢字の勉強頑張っていますか? In this video, we are going to learn new kanjis, words with the kanji, and expression with those words. Kanji, words, and expressions. If you are preparing for the JLPT test, these three methods is very good. Why? Because you learn kanji, also the vocabulary and expression, which is good for reading and listening. I will give you 3 JLPT questions later. We are going to follow these 4 steps. These are the today's kanji. Today's theme is compass points. The meaning is east. On is to. Kun is higashi. Radical is ki, tree. Can you find a tree in this kanji? The meaning is west. On is sei, sai. Kun is nishi. The meaning is south. On is nan. Kun is minami. Radical is 10, 10. The meaning is north. On is hoku. Kun is kita. Radical is that symbol. You can see it on the right side. Words and expression. We're gonna go over from clockwise. Northeast, 北東, 北東. Southeast, 南東, 南東. Southwest, 南西, 南西. Northwest, 北西, 北西. Because two kanji together, we use on reading. Next, North Pole, South Pole, or Arctic and Antarctic. North Pole, 北極, 北極. You have small 2 there. 北極. South Pole, 南極, 南極. Expression. 北極のオーロラを見に行きたい. I want to go 行きたい to see 見に the aurora of the Arctic Ocean 北極のオーロラを北極のオーロラを見に行きたい You might say aurora as northern light, but in Japanese, aurora is common way to say northern light, aurora. Next, Northern Hemisphere, 北半球. Southern Hemisphere, 南半球. 半球 means half of the globe, and then you add direction, 北半球. 南半球. By the way, 赤道 is equator. Next, East or Orient, 東洋, the West or Western, 西洋. Look at the dragon. This is interesting observation. When the people who live in Toyo, when we say dragon, the image of dragon is that one. And then the people from the West, the image of dragon is the black one. Which dragons do you think when you hear dragon? 東洋のドラゴンですか? 西洋のドラゴンですか? Next, north wind, south wind, 北風, 南風. This one is exception of on reading. Even though two kanji together, this one takes kun reading. 北風, 南風, which is easy to understand the meaning. Expression. 冷たい北風が吹いて寒い一日となるでしょう。A cold northerly wind, 冷たい北風 will blow が吹いて it will be なるでしょう。A cold day, 寒い一日。冷たい北風が吹いて寒い一日となるでしょう。You will hear this expression when you listen to the weather forecast. Next, Anno Domini or AD. 西暦、西暦。Look at the picture on the right. 西暦1980年は Japanese era is 昭和55年。Every time the emperor changes, Japanese era changes. Example, 生年月日は西暦1980年9月3日です。Date of birth, 生年月日は September 3rd, 9月3日。1980, 西暦1980年。生年月日は西暦1980年9月3日です。Next, East, West, South, and North all together. 東西南北。東西南北。Example, 日本語は東西南北と言い、英語は北、南、東、西という。This is talking about the difference between how Japanese say east, west, south, north versus English north, south, east, west. So don't get confused with the order. Remember the kanji. A couple videos back, we talked about 都道府県。東京都、北海道、大阪府、京都府 and 43 other kens. But this one is more like a bigger region of Japan. Let's go over. 北海道、東北、関東、中部、近畿、四国、中国、九州。Step 3. Flashcards. Try to remember the meaning of the word and pronunciation. I will say the word, repeat after me. North Pole, 北極。South Pole, 南極。North Hemisphere, 北半球。South Hemisphere, 南半球。Orient, East, 東洋。Western, West, 西洋。AD, 西暦。North Wind, 北風。東西南北。東西南北。JLPT quiz. You have 3 questions. For each question, you have 10 seconds to answer. Choose the right answer from the choices. That's it for today. If you like it, please hit the like button below. I upload kanji video every day. Subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any video. I will see you tomorrow. また明日会いましょう。 さようなら。